Welcome to the Smart English Academy. Here we learn simple English through real-life stories. Clear, easy, and smart. Hi everyone! In today's video, Sarah will share a short story about her best friend's secret. This story is perfect for beginner English learners. You will learn new words and simple sentences about friendship, music, and confidence. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm 16 years old. Today, I want to tell you about the day I discovered my best friend's amazing secret. My best friend is Emma. We've been friends since we were 7. We do everything together. We study. We go shopping. We watch movies. I thought I knew everything about her. But last Tuesday, something strange happened. I was walking home from school. Suddenly, I saw Emma going into the old community center. That was strange. Emma always walks home with me. She didn't see me, so I followed her. I opened the door quietly, and I heard piano music. Beautiful music. I followed the sound, and then I saw something amazing. Emma was sitting at an old piano. She was playing the most beautiful song I had ever heard. I stood there for 10 minutes, just listening. Her fingers moved so gracefully across the keys. The music was sad, but also full of hope. It felt like a story, without words. When she finished playing, I walked into the room. Emma looked shocked. Her face turned red. "Sarah, what are you doing here?" she asked nervously. I said, "Emma, I didn't know you could play like that. Why didn't you tell me?" She looked down and said quietly, "I've been playing for 8 years. But I'm too shy to perform. I come here every day after school to practice alone." I said, "But Emma, you're amazing. You could be a professional pianist." She shook her head. "When people watch me, I get nervous. My hands shake. I forget the notes." I sat next to her on the piano bench. "Emma," I said, "you're my best friend. I believe in you. Will you play something for me now?" She was quiet for a moment. Then she nodded. This time, she played a happy, energetic song. Her confidence grew with each note. "See? You can do it," I said, clapping. The next week, our school announced a talent show. I told Emma to join. She was scared, but she said, "Yes." On the night of the show, Emma was very nervous. Her hands were shaking. "I can't do this," she whispered. I smiled and said, "Yes, you can. Just imagine you're in that quiet room, playing for yourself." Emma walked onto the stage. She sat at the piano. She took a deep breath and began to play. It was the same sad and beautiful song from before. The whole room went silent. Everyone listened carefully. When she finished, the audience clapped loudly. Emma smiled, the biggest smile I had ever seen. After that night, everything changed. Emma wasn't shy anymore. She joined the school band. She even started teaching piano to younger students. I learned something very important. Sometimes, our friends have secret talents. They're too afraid to show them. As good friends, we must encourage them. We must help them be brave. Emma's secret wasn't just that she played piano. Her real secret was that she was braver than she believed. She just needed someone to believe in her. Now, whenever I hear piano music, I smile. I think about that. Sometimes, the most beautiful surprises come from the people we think we know best. That's my story about discovering my best friend's secret. What hidden talents do your friends have? Maybe you should ask them today.
Okay, that was Sarah's story. Now, let's learn some useful English words from the story. These words will help you improve your English and talk about friendship, emotions, and music. Let's begin.
Community center, meaning A public building where local people can meet for social activities, classes, or events. Example, I saw Emma going into the old community center. Gracefully, meaning in a smooth, elegant, and attractive way. Example, her fingers moved so gracefully across the keys. Whispered, meaning spoke very quietly. Example, I can't do this, Sarah, she whispered. Hidden talents, meaning special abilities that people don't know about. Example, sometimes our friends have hidden talents that they're afraid to share. Believe in, meaning to have confidence in someone's abilities. Example, she just needed someone to believe in her.
All right. Did you like today's video? Tell me in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new words about friendship, music, and confidence. If you want to learn more vocabulary, I've created a free PDF for you. Check the video description to download it. Thank you for watching Smart English Academy. See you in the next video.